Hi everyone. Today I am going to talk about DNA, which stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is a chemical found in the nucleus of cells, and it carries the genetic information that makes each organism develop and function properly. DNA is organized into structures called chromosomes. In humans, there are 46 chromosomes, arranged into 23 pairs. We inherit one chromosome from each pair from our mother and one from our father. This explains why we share characteristics with both parents. DNA has a distinctive structure called a double helix, which looks like a twisted ladder. The sides of the ladder are made from sugar and phosphate molecules, while the rungs are made from pairs of bases. There are 4 different bases in DNA: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. These bases always pair in a specific way. Adenine pairs with thymine, and cytosine pairs with guanine. This is known as the complementary base pairing. The sequence or order of these bases forms a genetic code, which contains instructions for making proteins. Small sections of DNA are called genes. Each gene codes for a specific protein, and proteins are responsible for controlling characteristics such as eye color, hair type, and blood group. Proteins also control important chemical reactions in cells by acting as enzymes. Sometimes the base sequence in DNA can change. This is called a mutation. Most mutations have no effect, but some can change the structures of a protein. This can lead to genetic disorders, such as cystic fibrosis, or in rare cases provide an advantage that helps an organism survive. Before a cell divides, it must make an exact copy of its DNA. This process is called DNA replication. Replication ensures that each new cell receives the same genetic information, which is important for growth, repair, and maintaining normal cell function. In summary, DNA carries genetic information, has a double helix structure, uses base pairing to store a genetic code, and controls characteristics by coding for proteins. Understanding DNA is essential because it explains inheritance, variation, and how organisms develop. Thank you for watching.